The vibrant and colorful Mardi Gras parade is preparing and will take place in city center of Newcastle. The participants are made up of professional artists, dancers and volunteers who want to join and perform. Now they are ready for the riotous carnival celebration. Vamos! The event, now in its 12th year, is to celebrate the Latino cultures this year, having been 4 rehearsals with great enthusiasm from artists and volunteers.
This particular dance, we've been inspired by African rhythm and Latin rhythms. We want to celebrate Carnival, we want to celebrate community coming together, we want to celebrate culture, and we want to share that with people around Newcastle.
I think Vamos Festival is absolutely fantastic, and it's a great way to get the community engaged and involved, and it's a great way to get folks who want to participate with the super troupe that I lead. It's a great way to get them playing percussion and brass, without any experience necessary.
It showcases wonderful Latin American culture. It's also for Portuguese and Brazilian speaking languages. We have fantastic food and culture, dance and performance, and we're all just delighted to be here.
There were some professional artists in the group, and they taught inexperienced volunteers to dance and play musical instruments for free.
It's lots of fun. I also like doing musical theatre and tap dancing.
And there's a huge diversity just within the parade itself, and I think that just shows you that, you know, everybody can have fun together and enjoy themselves.
Yeah, I think it's nice to just see the community all as one and see different people from different backgrounds interacting with one another and all kind of uniting over one thing that they all find to be fun.
It is a great community get together, just a day to come together, dance, play music, listen to music, interact with people and shake it all off really. Again, I think if it had a little bit more help, it could help the community culture-wise a lot more and to spread out across the North East and the West End, the East End, bring people closer together, especially if ethnic minority groups. That would be really great.
Although it rained on the day of the parade, it didn't reduce the enthusiasm of the citizens. They sang and danced with the team.
Very important that Newcastle has more events like this. Bring the focus, attention on Newcastle.
It's beautiful, it's colourful, it's rhythmic, and it makes you just want to dance, which is what we've been doing.
It's beautiful, it's just like everyone's there, everyone's enjoying it. There's lots of different colours, it's just really the costumes are so amazing.
Sometimes we are just focused on our own culture, do you know what I mean? And it's nice to see different things from other countries, different expressions of culture from other countries. I think it is really nice for the British people, for the community of Newcastle in general.
Except the parade, Vamos Festival has a series of activities in following days. Chilli Culture Lab News.